What's up everyone? So look, I've been messing around with trading bots for crypto for probably like 3 or 4 years at this point. And guys, it's been kind of a disaster, honestly. Like, internet is just absolutely infested with scam content now. Every other video is some guy showing you crazy screenshots that are so obviously edited, or these testimonials from users that sound like they're reading from a teleprompter. And yeah, I fell for some of that crap early on, not gonna lie. Tried maybe 5 or 7 different platforms, lost money on most of them, just got completely fed up with the whole scene. I basically thought AI trading was all fake, like the entire thing was just designed to take people's crypto. But then like 6 or 7 months ago, I stumbled on TradeSmart, and it's literally been the only platform that's actually done what it said it would. Everything just works, it's straightforward, no weird stuff happening. So I figured I'd show you guys exactly how I use it, because if you're in that same spot where you've gotten scammed and you don't trust anything anymore, I feel you, and maybe this actually helps.
Good, so first I need to do is log in basically, so I'm gonna hit connect. Okay, cool, window pops up and I'm picking my wallet since that's what I use. I'm just gonna wait a sec. Great, we're logged in. So next, I'm picking my preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive. This basically sets how hard the bot goes, what kind of risk I'm taking, profit targets, how much tokens I need. It's recommending optimal, but you just pick whatever feels right for you, you know? Okay, so then I'm choosing the AI neural network, which AI brain is gonna run everything. And honestly, from my experience, auto select is for sure the best option. It picks the right one every time, and I've legit never had to mess with it. Then there's investment amount, whatever you're cool with putting in for the session. All right, next is network selection, depends on how congested it is and what the gas fees are looking like. So I'll pick whichever one's cheaper or just leave it on auto select. And last thing, click start AI and it starts running. Now I'm basically just sitting back watching. So I'm gonna fast forward this part for you guys.
Okay, good. So like a few minutes passed and I stopped it, and here's everything detailed. My total balance, profit I made, how many trades it did, win rate percentage, and how long it took. Also, there's this console up here thing showing every single thing the bot did during that whole time. So yeah, this should pretty much show you how legit this tech is. So now I just gotta click withdraw funds. All right, it's doing its thing. Sick. Tokens are heading to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm sitting here waiting for those to actually show up, let me break down why this app is like the only real one out there when everything else is basically just trying to rob you. The biggest difference I've noticed is this platform doesn't try to hide anything from you. Like most of scam bots, you send them your crypto and you literally have no idea what's happening with it, right? No transparency, no proof of trades, nothing. You're just supposed to trust them. This app shows you everything in real time. Every trade it makes, when it bought, when it sold, how much profit or loss on each one, all that stuff is right there in the console. You can see exactly what it's doing with, and that's huge because scams can't afford to be transparent like that.
Compare that to literally any scam platform where people are constantly complaining they can't get their funds out. Support ghosts them. The platform comes up with random reasons why you can't withdraw. That nightmare scenario just doesn't happen here because it's actually a real service. The non-custodial thing is critical too. My crypto never leaves my wallet. I'm always in control of my own funds. Every scam I've seen requires you to send your crypto to them first, and once you do that, you're screwed. They've got your money and good luck ever seeing it again. With this, since my funds stay in my possession the whole time, I'm protected no matter what. Like even if the platform somehow disappeared tomorrow, my crypto is still mine. But the thing that really convinced me is just consistency. I've been using this for like half a year now, and it's been the same the whole time. Same performance, same reliability, same straightforward operation. Scams can't maintain that because they're not built to last. They're built to grab as much money as possible before people catch on and they shut down. When something keeps working month after month, that's because it's designed to actually function long term. So the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. If you've been burned before, I totally get being skeptical, I was too. But this is genuinely different from all that other fake out there. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. What's your worst scam bot experience? I want to hear about it. Thanks for watching, peace out.